Hello students, welcome to you all Tagore Public School Digital class. Today we will learn class 7th, unit 2, poem Rebel. Do you know anyone who always disagree with you or your friends or like to do opposite of whatever things they should do? In this poem, the poet DJ Enright explain about that type of person only. The poet given that person name is rebel. Rebel means बागी. बागी means that जो हमेशा दूसरों का जो कहते हैं उससे वो opposite ही करता है. So in this poem also, the poet describe about that person. The poet says that the rebel always does exactly the opposite of what others do and always disagree with the other. When anybody keeps short and uniform hair, the rebel knowingly grow his hair long. When the rest of the society grow his hair long, that time the rebel cut his hair short. He does so to look different from other and goes against the custom and tradition of the society. Whenever member of the society talks during the meeting, the rebel keeps silent. When nobody talks, the rebel creates disturbance to talking loudly. If all wear uniform, he will be in a casual cloth. And if all dress casual, he will supposed to be simple. If all shows alike for a dogs, a rebel will love a cat. And if people are cat lovers, he will just praise the dog. It means rebel always want to do the opposite to other person. If people require the sunlight and praise the sun, the rebel says that the sun is not required. And there is a need for rain. When everybody of the society welcome and require rain, the rebels feel sorry for the absence of the sun. When every member of the society goes to some together and attend the meeting, the rebel stay at home and keeps himself busy by reading a books indoor. When everybody in the society stay at home and reads book, the rebel will go to some urgent meeting. When every person asks for something, the rebel reject the same with thanks. And when everybody in the society doesn't want something and say thanks, the rebel requires that things and asks for it. At last, the poet concludes that it is a very good that we have a social rebels in the society. But it is not good to become a social rebel.